Tell bottom story to keep an eye on the building to the right of the white. He's hit. I got him. He's hit. One down. We got one to the right of the white building. He's hit. Both down.
You're good on this side.
I knew he was going to cross him the second I got his blood, too. That was pretty good.
Hey, you got 2 more, 3 more moving up. Yeah. 4 more.
Let me know if they cross over.
5, 3.
Are we going?
Fuck.
Just got hit. Come.
He's hit. I got to keep an eye right here. Got him. He's hit. One down. 2 more behind the white. 2 behind white. 1 down behind white.
Hey, Henry.
Reloading.
Yep.
Don't get shot. Okay. Hey, who's saying that?
Look, mag out. Mag's not working.
If you're dead, stay where you got hit. I don't.
He's hit.
Guys, I can't see shit.
Hey.
I got a white.
One in white. One in the white building. One inside white. 2 behind white. One hit in white.
Hey, can anybody come and fucking right here?
One dead in white. One dead behind white. One alive in white. One dead in white.
Marshall, check the L shape. I'm on it. What's up? Right side building. What?
We got one in my doorway, L shape.
He's hit. One cross from white building. One cross.
Get down. We got 3. Put you back on. 3 for birthday. 3 for birthday.
What's that doing, bro?
Oh, that's Marshall. Contact front. Behind 2 scored.
2 on Mary.
Come here.
Fucking stay.
Hey.
How we gonna make?
He's hit. Behind 2 stories down. He's down. They're down. He's down. Stop shooting. Behind the hill is down.
Fuck, God damn it. The sun is shining on you.
Man, are you alive?
Yeah.
Got him. He's down.
Hey, watch that.
Man down. He's down.
Window, 2nd story.
Facing
They're a little set up.
Don't worry about
God damn.
Fuck it. Blast him, titty sucking motherfucker.
You should be able to see him out that window, man. If you're looking out that way.
I can't. They're a little set. Okay, it's understandable.
Not much action from them. The couple
Hit him. Got him. Guy's down right there. He's down. I got you. Good.
Oh, sorry, dude. My bad. Sorry. Whoa.
Back!
Back.
One down right here. You got it?
I got it.
You good. We got them titty fucking motherfucker. Oh!
right down below. Oh!
Got him! He's hit! He's hit! He's hit! He's down! Chief is down! Sorry for hitting you in the head, man. That's all I saw.
Nope, don't say sorry. He deserves it.
Hit! Right.
Give me one, come on.
Hurry up. I need a shot at him.
Get low on that window. Lower.
Somebody drag me, please. Are you dead?
Canteen over there?
Oh, kidding! Oh! He's taking right there.
There is no getting down.
Behind you, what?
There is no getting downstairs.
Austin.
What? Hey, you good?
Hey, I'm good. The lighter. It's right on that stack of mags. Pass that mag like this, baby girl. Just throw it at me.
Hey, we got two guys. Great building right in front.
Hey!
You good?
No, I'm good. He was just really close. I didn't want to hurt him. I'm a nice guy.
Hey! Ryan!
Oh, hit! Oh, I'm already dead. Dead.
Back out.
Two. We'll add up.
You gotta work with me, or you're gonna suck this whole puddle, dude.
I don't give a fuck. Fuck, man. Do it. Come on, Enno.
Put the next guy down.
You have no idea how much I'm ready to shoot people.
Man, you can't just walk.
I was moving him.
Oh, okay. My bad, dude.
Walk to the foot on!
Got them both down. They're two down right there. Get our guys healed.
Dead man walking.
Country. Oi, is it T-Top?